Here is Scatter Hamilton. Here's some other little cute. Oh, there's Budapest. Other little cuties. All right, happy walking and talking. Today is 1 January 2026, and I'm in the backyard, and I'm doing a tiny tour of the backyard. And the tiny tour is, so here's the lilac tree. And this used to be a garden, a vegetable garden that my parents let me plant in upkeep as exercise and responsibility and curation and stuff. Oh my god, all these squirrels are like, oh, tell the story, Mom. Oh, there's Dangle, that's Dangle. I'd take, and these are currently raspberries, and there used to be blueberries up there, and I would plant radishes and carrots and like sometimes like onions and cucumbers, and then there was kind of a what is it called, like a trellis or something there, and I would do green beans and plant green beans and then water those and harvest those. Look at those audience. Oh my gosh, they're so excited. They're like, tell the story, Mom. They're adorables. So this is Scatter, and this is Budapest. This is a friend, and then that's Dangle. And so that was kind of my space to curate. That was a full-on apple tree. That was an apple tree. That was an apple tree. And we would get these caterpillar nests in the trees, and I just had developed such, I couldn't, they would be crawling and they'd be everywhere, and I couldn't. I'm afraid of caterpillars. That is correct. Oh, was this the apple tree? Okay, anyway. And so then those were the apple trees, and there was the bamboo. There's still some of the bamboo. And then this was it's currently a shed, but way back in the day, it was a playhouse for my sister and I. And so we would like go in here and play. And now it's a shed. Well, you can see there's a window on the other side. And this was my side of the playhouse, and Lindsay's side was the other side, my sister's. Yeah. But now it's the shed. So like, yeah. So there's yard supplies kept in there. And we had, let's see, one other thing for this tiny tour is that we had here this is a dogwood tree. Under the dogwood tree, there was a swing set. And we kept it through, my sister and I being a number of years of age, but we outgrew it because it was for like little kids. But it was here, under the dogwood tree. I love you too, Budapest.